Let's talk business. The next revolution is here and is about Industry 4.0, the new challenge for the companies who will survive or perish tomorrow's competence. But what exactly is Industry 4.0? It is about the complete digitalization of the chains of production of products and services through the integration of technologies. Think about data processing techniques such as big data, prediction of inventories, market prices, and supply chains using digital twinning, algorithms, and machine learning to find incredible new business opportunities inside your factory that were hidden in plain sight. Such technologies are being used by top-tier companies like General Electric, Google, and Tesla, while also being quickly adapted by small companies as a competitive advantage, aiming to drastically reduce production times, delivering amazing purchasing experiences and fast deliveries to their clients, while keeping a sharp eye on cybersecurity. In short, Industry 4.0 is about being able to predict, control, plan, and produce smartly all the way from the raw materials to the client's hands. The Industry 4.0 is here, changing the world as we know.